Meta has released Muse Glimmer, a 30 billion parameter model with open weights, aimed squarely at running agents locally rather than in the cloud. The interesting claim is not raw size, it is that a model this capable is meant to sit on your own machine and stay running. Let me go through what it targets and the numbers Meta actually gives. The headline facts. It is a 30 billion parameter model that Meta describes as optimized for always-on local agent workflows. The weights are open under an Apache 2.0 license, which is permissive enough for commercial use. It takes multimodal input, so images, as well as text, and it is available now on Hugging Face. Meta positions it around 3 jobs: local agents with function calling, local coding, and LLM as a judge evaluation, where one model scores another's output. The capabilities it leans on are the agentic ones, reliably invoking tools, reasoning across several steps, and recovering when a step fails rather than stalling. Those are the things that break first when you shrink a model down to run locally, which is why they are called out. The practical question is whether it fits. Quantized, Meta says, the model compresses to under 20 gigabytes, landing inside a 24 or 32 gigabyte memory envelope. They tested it on MacBooks with the M4 Max and M5 Max chips, and on an RTX 5090. So the target is a high-end laptop, or a single desktop GPU, not a server rack. That is the whole point of the release. On speed, Meta reports gains from speculative decoding, a trick where a small draft model proposes several tokens and the big model verifies them in a batch instead of one at a time. The reported speedups are 3.1 times on the RTX 5090, 1.8 on the M5 Max, and 1.5 on the M4 Max. Note, these are speedups over the same model, without the trick, not a comparison to other models. On quality, be a little careful reading it. Meta benchmarks Muse Glimmer against Gemma 4-31B and QN 3.6-27B, 2 models in the same size range, across agentic, coding, multimodal, safety, and reasoning tasks. But the phrasing is that it performs strongly for its size class, and the announcement does not publish the full per benchmark score tables. So treat it as a promising local model to try, and check the numbers yourself against your own tasks before trusting the headline. Running it. The weights are on Hugging Face now, with integrations coming for Llama.cpp, Apple's MLX, and Executorch. Partners at launch include Ollama and LM Studio on the easy local end, and VLLM and Together AI on the serving end. So whether you want a one-line Ollama pull or a production serving stack, there is a path, though some of those are listed as coming rather than shipped. So, a 30 billion parameter open weight model under Apache 2.0, built for always-on local agents, coding and evaluation, small enough quantized to fit a good laptop, with real speculative decoding speedups, and available now. The one caveat is that the quality claims come without full tables, so verify against your own tasks. That is today's AI Daily. Subscribe to BirenAI and ship smarter with AI. See you in the next one.